all our grammar class. Today we have a simple past tense. How to form simple past tense. Second form of the verb V1, V2, V3. Here V2 is the past tense of the verb. Here we must discuss about regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. Past tense of the verb is obtained by adding d or ed or ied is called irregular verbs. For example, agree, agreed, then live, lived, arrive, arrived. Here we get the past tense of the verb by adding d to the base form of the verb. Here we added d to the base form of the verb. Then verbs like walk, jump, walk, walked, jump, jumped. Here we add ed to the base form of the verb. In some words ending with y, words such as carry, study, cry, etc. Here we change this y to ied, carried, 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 study, studied, cry, cried. Here we add ied by changing y to ied. These types of verbs are known as regular verbs. Then we have irregular verbs. Example, think, irregular. Example, think. Its past tense is thought. Then go, went, write, wrote. Here we must notice the changes. Think is changed to another word, thought. Go, went, write, wrote. These types of verbs are known as irregular verbs. Then we can discuss when to use simple past tense. To express an action completed in the past. Simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past. For example, India got independence. India got independence in 1947. India got independence in 1947. The train arrived at 8 a.m. The train arrived at 8 a.m. Here we used past tense. I received the letter yesterday. Here, simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past. Then, second occasion. Simple past tense is used to express a repeated habitual action of the past. It is used to express a repeated habitual action of the past. When he was a student, he studied many hours a day. When he was a student, when he was a student, he studied many hours. When he was a student, he studied many hours. That means now he is not a student. But during his childhood time, he studied many hours. Then, as a child, I went to church with my mother every day. That was a habitual action. But now I am not a child. As a child, I went to church with my mother every day. Simple present tense is used to express a repeated habitual action of the past. Then we use simple past tense in two occasions. First is to express an action completed in the past. India got freedom 1947. The train arrived at 8 a.m. I received the letter yesterday. Then it is used to express a repeated habitual action of the past. When he was a student, he studied many hours a day. As a child, I went to church with my mother every day. Here we can discuss some time words. That is yesterday, last day, yesterday, last day, last week, last month, etc. are the time words here. Okay.